Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the system so the update runs cleanly. First, make sure Office 2019 is activated and all Office apps are closed. Unsaved work must be saved. Next, create a quick backup or a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. This protects data and settings. Once done, verify you have at least 2 GB free and a stable internet connection, because the update package downloads and applies automatically when you proceed to the next step. You'll now trigger the update from within Office. Open Word or Excel, go to File, right arrow Account, then choose Update Options and select Update Now. This checks Microsoft servers and downloads available patches. While downloading and installing, keep the PC powered and online. Pausing or cutting power can corrupt installations. If you see errors or no updates, make sure Windows Update and Microsoft Update Service are enabled. Or if an IT policy controls updates, contact your admin before forcing changes. Let the process finish completely. Complete the update by restarting when prompted. This finalizes file replacements and registry changes. After reboot, open an Office app and check File, right arrow Account to verify the new version and update date. If the update failed, run a quick Office repair from Control Panel, right arrow Programs, right arrow Microsoft Office, right arrow Change, right arrow Repair. Choose Online Repair for thorough fixes. If problems persist, clear the Office update cache. Run Windows, DISM, and SFC. And note any error codes to search targeted solutions or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.